everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nini, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to show you guys one of my newest purchase from Louis Vuitton, and to be honest, this is a little bit of a panic buy for me. So I just got myself a Toiletry 26 in the monogram canvas. So not too long ago, I have watched a video from My Lux, and she has shown several different ways that we could wear the Toiletry 26. And after I watched the videos, I really want one of the Toiletry piece in my collection. So I contact my SA, and to be honest, my SA told me that that piece is very hard to get. It does come to the store once in a while, but if any of the pieces come to the store, she's gonna let me know. Lucky me, just like 2 weeks later, she texts me and she said, oh, so we have two. One is in the size 19 and the other one is in the size 26. Do you want to see it? So I told her, please put it aside for me. I will come in right away to check it out. So the next day I came in to check out the Toiletry 26 and also the Toiletry 19. But in the end, I decided I would go for the size 26 because it's a lot bigger. For me, the bigger is the better. So I went for the size 26. And because there are so many different ways that I could wear the size 26 with, so that's why in the end I decided to go for the size 26. But to be honest, after I purchased the piece and then the news get out, what happened is Louis Vuitton will not make any more of the Toiletry pieces in the monogram canvas. So that's what I heard is all over the social media, and I was like, oh my god, if I have knew, then I should buy the size 19 as well, because the size 19 is absolutely cute and adorable. So now just knowing that I will no longer be able to purchase this in the future is make me kind of regret not getting both pieces while I had the chance. But here we are today unboxing my Toiletry 26 piece. A lot of people talking about this piece in general, and the reason is I have never get one of this because I feel like I don't really need something this expensive to be able to store my toiletry. So that's why I have never spending my money on it. But after I watched the video from My Lux, and she had put on tons of different way of how to turn this into a handbag, and it's make me feel in love. I fell in love. So that's why after I received the text message from my SA, I actually went on Amazon and ordered a bunch of stuff. A bunch of accessories to go with these pieces even before I went into Louis to pick this out. So in My Lux video, she had reviewed tons and tons of like back insert, and also she have tons of different straps that she could use with this. But I am totally in love with this by the handheld as well. So this would make a perfect clutch for the night out. So if I, go to a dinner with friends, this will be so good in pictures and everything, and I have seen it so many times on Instagram. The girl, they held it like for the clutch, and I just love that look so much. And also I have purchased a insert for it. I bought this from Amazon, and to be honest, it's a little bit of a pricey piece of insert on Amazon, but I see that the craftsmanship is really good and it just fit perfectly for this bag. So this is from Amazon, and inside is have a little pouch right there, and it's have tons of credit card slot. So to be honest, if I ever use this toiletry pouch, I will totally put it insert inside, because I see that this will keep the bag in great shape. So it's hold the shape really well, and also it gives the option to put on the strap. So here is the hook that we could use to put the strap in place. And also all of this little card holder slot is really handy. So to be honest, I think I really love the insert piece that I bought from Amazon as well. I am totally falling in love with this. So I don't think I would ever use this bag without the insert. And when the insert is inside, it's actually hold the shape much better. So it's make the bag look better as well. And I also order a bunch of strap, the chain strap. So I ordered for different bags and everything, but it could totally be used on top of this bag. And I'm gonna show you guys a couple of different ways that I have tried out with the strap on this bag to turn it into a handbag. Now I feel pretty lucky that I was able to score this piece right before LV decided to discontinue this piece. And to be honest, I will only want to have this piece in the monogram canvas. I do not like to purchase a lot of toiletry pieces because to me, I think one is enough. And I am just feeling super lucky that I was able to score the perfect one at a perfect time. And also, I just do not have a lot of monogram canvas in my collection, so this is a great addition to have in my collection as well. And also, after putting up the chain and the thick link strap that I had, I just feel like this could be a really nice clutch, and I already feel super happy that I was able to get it at all. To be honest, I am gonna try to find a good time to use this bag. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you are using your toiletry 26 piece in general. Do you honestly store your toiletry pieces with, like, I don't know, shampoo, conditioning, and makeup? For me, to be honest, I am not gonna use this to store my toiletry. I am honestly gonna turn this into a handbag and enjoy using it. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you are using your toiletry 26. And thank you so much for watching the video today. Mwah! I will see you guys again in my next video. Thank you.